So I'm going to be looking at 6 reasons why we need to do this. The first reason is the job opportunities. The job opportunities that exist in cybersecurity is huge. Why? Because virtually every organization today is online. They are on the internet or they make use of digital devices in their businesses, and all these digital devices need protection. More and more of their informations are being exposed. So this job opportunities, this creates a high number of job opportunities for people who are in cybersecurity to come into. So cybersecurity provides a very good opportunity for people to work in any industry, because and it's not limited to a particular industry. Whether you're in health, whether you're in technology, in telecoms, you can function very well as a cybersecurity professional in any of the industry. The second reason is the rising threat landscape, or the landscape of cybersecurity threats is rising. What do I mean by that? It means that the sophistication, the tools, the things that hackers make use of in attacking our digital devices and networks is also increasing. They are becoming more sophisticated, they're becoming more skilled, their strategies are improving. Meanwhile, cybersecurity empowers every individual with the knowledge on how to respond and protect, or how to prevent such incidences or attacks. So basic cybersecurity knowledge will give you the opportunity as even as an individual to protect yourself or to protect your company or to protect your assets and information from all this sophistication that is going on. Another reason is financial rewards. There's a huge financial reward because most organizations now make sure they want to make sure that their information, their assets, their resources are well protected, and they provide a huge reward for people who are able to help them to keep their assets safe. So this financial reward is another reason for you if you want to earn well. People who get into cybersecurity have the opportunity of earning a huge or a fat salary in whatever area of cybersecurity that they play in. And lastly, protecting personal data. Everyone has his or her information online today because we're on all social media, we're in different social media, we are in making use of online banking, we are making use of mobile devices. All these places, all these devices exposes our personal information to the internet or to people online. Our knowledge of cybersecurity will help us to protect ourselves and take control of our personal information and data, and make sure that we operate in a secure digital environment. These are few of the many reasons why you need to join or to get into cybersecurity. If this video has taught you anything and you are interested in learning, sign up for our one-on-one hands-on cybersecurity course. Its link is in the video description. We are going to take you through everything you need to know for you to be able to apply it as a cybersecurity expert. So if you have enjoyed or learned one or two things in this video, please like and share. And you are coming on for the first time, please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.